So always ensure your angle grinder is unplugged when making any installation of discs. So make sure the nut that is on the backing pad corresponds to your angle grinder. Then we are going to remove the round nut and the clamping flange. Then we are going to go ahead and remove the wheel guard by unscrewing that screw and turning your guard clockwise and lifting it away. Once you're done with that process, then you're going to take your backing pad, place it on the bolt and turn it clockwise until it locks into place, like so. And that's how you install a backing pad onto your angle grinder. To uninstall, you're going to press onto that spindle lock, the red one, and give it an anti-clockwise turn until you've loosened it. Once you've done with uninstallation, now we are going to go ahead and install the wheel guard by turning it anti-clockwise and tightening that screw until it locks into place. And always remember to replace your clamping flange and round nut. These items are very important in your machine and you don't want to lose them. And that's how you install and uninstall a backing pad. Thank you so much for watching.